Today we are going to check out the top 5 best photo light box available on the market. We made this list quality price, user experience, testing, and based on customer reviews. If you want to see more information on the updated price on the products, make sure to check the product links down below in the description box. So let's get started. Number 1. Ductless Mini Photo Studio Light Box. There might be people just looking around for the cheapest light box out there. The search ends here. Ductless Mini Photo Studio Light Box is the best option for you. Although the size of this light box is quite small, its unique design allows you to take pictures from plenty of different angles. It uses 2x20 PCS high-quality SMD LED lights that deliver excellent light with color temperature of 6000 K, 6500 K, and 550 lumens brightness. Even if using the unprofessional shooting equipment, you still can get high-quality professional pictures, though ductless photo studio box. With the light box, Ductless offers 5 additional backdrops that you can use and take the most creative shots of every product you deal with. In case the front door offers limited angles for shooting as per you, a top hole for shooting at an overhead angle is icing on the cake. For the power, it uses a USB interface, which makes it highly versatile and easy to use. Number 2. Amazon Basics Photo Studio Box. As we all know, Amazon Basics is one of the most trustworthy brands and has a good reputation all around since all its products have tremendous build quality. It is used by most professional photographers out there and the majority of sellers on Amazon itself. Being 25x30x25 inches in size, it is suitable to take snaps of medium-large sized products as well. The LED lights used in this box have a 5600 K color temperature and high CRI that bring consistency in a bat shoot. Apart from that, the assembly of this light box is quite easy as the bright white backdrop comes pre-installed in this box. Despite being large in size, carrying this is not a big deal at all since it easily collapses into its durable portfolio case. If the front 3-door system is just not enough, you can be more creative using the top hole for taking some interesting snaps. Setup takes less than a minute. Use the white backdrop or attach custom backdrops. When finished, it collapses into a thin portfolio carrying case. Number 3. Pillas Mini Photo Studio Box. Pillas is yet another good brand choice if you are looking for some affordable yet high-quality light box options out there. Like the previous option, it also has the same size of 20x20 cm and almost a similar design as well. Inside the light box, you will find a 20 PCS high-quality SMD LED light, which is removable as well. The best part about its lighting is that it does not have any strobe, so shooting videos as well as photos are equally good. The 550 lumens of bright light make the nylon cloth inside glow amazingly and makes it a suitable background for photography. Not just that, 6 additional backdrops come along with the package. Hence you get plenty of options to choose from to take the best shot. Although the size of the box is not too big, you still get a top hole for overhead images. It's specially designed for the people who are always on the run, since it's pretty lightweight and powered by a USB interface connector. Even if using the unprofessional shooting equipment, you still can get high-quality professional pictures. All the installation can be finished with only Velcro, without a complicated installation process. Number 4. Faucet and Bicolor Photo Light Box. This upgraded photo light box is the perfect option for people who are looking for a budget-friendly option. Faucet and Photo Light Box comes with 5 different backgrounds, which is suitable for a wide range of shooting tasks. It comes with 4 holes, which can choose any angle to shoot, providing different visual and detail effects for product shooting. The photo light box inner is composed of a special reflection material and a light diffuser. It can produce soft light and provide even lighting from all angles, which fixes the problem of product's high reflection and performing more details of the outline. This photo light box comes with 252 light beads and 16 brightness adjustment gears. It comes with rotating and moving light panels to adjust the side, front, and back light. The inbuilt light diffuser will scatter the light output to reduce the harsh shadows and balance the lighting environment. Number 5. Glendon Portable Photo Studio Light Box. Glendon is one of the reliable brands that produces high-quality products at reliable prices that include photo light boxes and other photography accessories. Multiple openings enable you to choose any photo shooting position for getting more perfect product features and beauty. The photo box comes with 6 color detachable backgrounds made of thicker PVC and paper, which are sturdy enough and have no wrinkles, so you can easily change background colors and build up various shooting scenes as needed. The photography box dimension is 12-12 inch. With a particular folding design, the whole assembly of a portable ring light box only needs 10 seconds. No bracket, no screws, no complicated lighting layout. With a durable and waterproof carry bag, it's very compact and convenient to use in many places without taking a lot of space. It is backed with a 12-month warranty and lifetime friendly customer service.